Hey guys, it's Bree and I'm back again with another video. I know I look busted, but I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed these Springtwists, and I use two methods. So if you guys want to see those methods on how to install some Springtwists, please continue watching this video. Okay, so we are starting with the crochet method, and we are going to detangle the hair and get our shine and jam, my favorite. And then we're going to just begin crocheting. This is probably the easiest method. It's time consuming. You do want to make sure that one side is longer than the other, because of course we want long spring twists, and the length is important here. So you want to make sure that your hair and the other side are matched. And so this is the easy part. You're just going to start twisting. Once it's crocheted, it's really easy. You just want to braid your hair down a good 1.5 inches for that anchor, and then you just continue to add your jam to smooth out your hair. And you guys see how it's like getting shorter. So since we are using hair that we've worn, it's going to be more tangled. So you see me trying to split the two, because we're going to join that shorter piece with one of the longer pieces. And then once you do that, you can just continue to twist. I do like the crochet method, and see how I twisted it right there. You just get your shine and you just get your shine and gel, and you just apply it so you can smooth it out so it can look seamless. And then you just twist. And this is the process that takes so long. That's why these take so long, because you have to twist. And then that one is done. I told you it's gonna be a short video. Okay, so the next one, we're just going to moisturize our hair. Re-moisturize, ladies. Please moisturize your hair, please. And we're gonna thoroughly detangle. I love these products together. So there are many ways that I like to moisturize my hair, but I do love to use a leave-in, a good cream moisturizer, and detangler. And then I like to go in with my favorite oil. What I use now is castor oil, which I love. And then I apply that. You just want to make sure that your hair is well moisturized and your scalp is moisturized. And so I add my shine and gel to smooth down that section and make sure that it's smooth. And then once I do that, I get my hair and I detangle it thoroughly so I can, make it easier. And you always want one side to be longer than the other for length. And then you just start it as a braid, as you would do a box braid, I should say. And I have on nails, so I couldn't grip my hair the way I wanted to, but it's actually the perfect, it's not too tight, it's not too loose. And then you just start braiding. And don't mind that, that's just extra product, which will go away. It'll go away. And I just braid a good 1.5 inches, wherever I feel comfortable. And I do check, see how I check and see to make sure it's just right. It's not too loose, it's not too tight. And then I just continue to braid until I feel like it's secure. And then I add my hair and the shorter piece together, and I start twisting. And as I'm twisting, I'm just feeling at the top to make sure that it's secure. And I add my shine and jam, and I just continue to twist all the way down. And like I was saying, I do love the crochet method. It's really nice and easier, but it's just really time consuming. I mainly used the second method, and in the front of my head I used the first method. But as you can see, I split up the longer piece, and now I'm combining it with the shorter piece. And now the simple part is all you have to do is twist. Add your shine and jam and twist all the way down until the spring twist is complete. And these get so long, and don't mind if you see like little knots like that. It's not a knot, it's just not smoothed out, but it loosens up. And then you just cut the ends and you just twist it, and then you're done. So yeah, Very simple, very easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.